Why don't cars ever get lost? Because they always keep their tires on the road. A bit of humor to kick things off, but we're here to talk about something a little more serious: car ownership and its associated costs. It's a topic that affects most of us, whether we're zooming down the freeway in a sports car or navigating city streets in a compact. But just how much is that four-wheeled freedom costing us? Now that we've had our laugh, let's dive into the real costs of owning a car. When you buy a car, the sticker price is just the beginning. But what does that mean, exactly? Well, let's break it down. First off, there are taxes. Yes, that lovely word that everyone loves to hear. When you purchase a car, you're likely going to pay sales tax, and that can add a pretty penny to your total costs. Next up, interest fees. If you're financing your car, you're going to be paying interest on your car loan. Depending on your credit score and the length of your loan, this can add a significant amount to your overall car costs. Speaking of financing, did you know that the average new car loan in the United States is over 5 years long? That's 5 years of monthly payments that you'll need to budget for. And if you're thinking about leasing, remember that you'll have to return the car at the end of the lease or buy it outright, which could mean more costs down the line. Then there's gas. With fluctuating gas prices, this cost can be a bit unpredictable. But one thing's for sure: the more you drive, the more you'll spend on gas. Insurance is another biggie. Depending on your age, driving history, and the type of car you drive, insurance can be a significant portion of your monthly car costs. And remember, it's not just about getting the cheapest insurance. You want to make sure you're adequately covered in case of an accident. And lastly, maintenance. Cars need regular checkups, oil changes, and occasional repairs. Some people forget to factor these costs into their budget, but they can quickly add up. So, as you can see, owning a car isn't just about the upfront cost, there's a lot more to it. Each of these factors contributes to the real cost of car ownership, and they can significantly impact your financial health over time. So, next time you're thinking about buying a car, remember to consider all these costs. It might just make you think twice. Cars are often seen as a status symbol, but they can actually be a wealth killer. Sure, they get us from point A to point B, but at what cost? The moment you drive a new car off the lot, its value plummets. That's depreciation for you, and it's the first way a car can start eroding your wealth. But it doesn't stop there. The costs of taxes, interest, financing, gas, insurance, and maintenance can make owning a car a financial burden. And let's not forget about the alluring trap of living outside your means. That luxury car might make you look successful now, but if it's causing you to skimp on savings, it could cost you down the line. Think of it this way: every dollar you put into a car is a dollar less you're investing in your future. So while that shiny new car might look great now, it could be costing you your future. The good news is, there are ways to reduce your car expenses. It all starts with being smart and strategic. Firstly, make insurance your best friend. Shop around for the best rates. Insurance companies are always competing for new customers, and you might be surprised at how much you can save. Don't be shy to make those calls. Next up, become a hands-on car owner. Learn basic maintenance. There's a wealth of knowledge online, and with a bit of time and patience, you can handle some of the simpler tasks yourself. This can save you a significant amount over time. Remember, you are always best served by yourself than by others. Also, rethink your relationship with the dealership. Sure, they're convenient, but they can also be costly. Instead, consider getting a free diagnostic test from a reliable service. This can help you identify any issues with your car, and then you can decide the best course of action. Finally, consider where you live. If it's possible, choose a location that's near public transportation or your work. This could reduce your need for a car altogether. And hey, walking more is not just good for your wallet, it's good for your health and the planet too. By following these tips, you can turn your car from a wealth killer into a manageable expense. To sum up, owning a car comes with many hidden costs. The taxes, interest fees, insurance, and maintenance all chip away at your wealth. The status symbol of a flashy car is not worth the financial strain. Instead, consider buying a slightly used vehicle and take steps to reduce your expenses. Shop around for insurance, learn basic maintenance, and embrace public transportation. Remember, the goal isn't to stop driving, but to drive smarter. Your future self will thank you.